First, let us understand how do you match and how do you understand the skills that you have and what are your skills for a. So let us go on LinkedIn job. You can go to LinkedIn or you can go to any website, such portal. Once you go into the job section, based on the skills that you have, the jobs that you see will be based on the same. Now, if I go into the job section, see over here, I have there will be some jobs that they will take just one example. Let's go over here, vice president. Now, which here, if you see this profile, this is about us, equal opportunities. As we move business administration, okay. And then we have hiring for one to say applicants in it level is this. Just say I match this. Am I good fit? So right now, because I'm on premium profile of LinkedIn, it will match and it will let me know whether to what extent my skills are mapping up. We see over here. I don't know whether you are able to see this side. What we know from this particular thing is my profile aligns with the job because it is a leadership position, but what else is adding them to your profile? So I need to have global markets, integrated marketing campaigns across multi, and they need an MBA. I do not have an MBA, so that's a big problem. So one is I need to understand what. Now let us say when it comes to Abbott, again over here Abbott applying for this particular position, only 6% position. So hiring counts. Now let me say again, how can I best position myself? Once I see my AI integration skill, that becomes a plus plus for me. So when one way is you will get all the skill displayed over here. And if you find it difficult to find the skills, I'll make it more easier. So just go to the now let us go and copy paste all the job descriptions. We are okay. This is one job description. Just copy paste. Then let us move to another job description, which is illusion. Now we'll say one more job description. Mostly these are into both of these were into pharma industry. The fish of India, I guess this is somewhere related to healthcare side. So again, so it will list in terms of so what we understand is people are looking for profitability, global marketing, growth strategy, budgeting, brand management, digital marketing, leadership, market research. These are the core skills. So core skills is these are the core skills you need. These, if you do not have, you can slowly do some hiring in terms of frameworks. No, that's all. And what we need to do is now, if you see my LinkedIn profile, built up on the number of certifications that you, these are the courses because of which I'm adding some skills. And as I add the skills, it will flood my LinkedIn profile with more skills. And this is how a recruiter will see this particular profile. So if you're looking to get hired easily, start building up and adding more and more skills. Try to find out which are the skills that so start adding this particular skills in your profile. How do you add the skills is pretty simple. Yeah. It's pretty much go on LinkedIn and these are the skills. You click over here and industry knowledge, interpersonal skills. These are different skills that you have to list out and let people go and endorse your skills. As people, more and more people endorse your skills, the more and more recruiters will keep on seeing your profile. We close this session for today. I'll be stressing out on it is important that you apply to so important that you are example if you're into finance, you need to be analytics and analyst both are two different things. But both can be a part of your profile. Similarly, if you're into marketing, you need to understand about events, you need to know about how with different people. All these are part and parcel of becoming what marketing is about. So different job profiles have different core skills. Basic 50% skills need to be a part of your profile. Other skills you can evolve and when you apply, before you apply, make all those skills keywords part of your resume because that is the only thing that will get you through for the first round of interview. If your resume does not, lastly, if your skills are part of your resume, ensure they are part of your LinkedIn profile. Otherwise, there's no point. Nobody is going to visit your, if your skills are part of recruiter will try to search for those skills and whether those skills are part of your LinkedIn profile. And